Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region to United States on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to change your country or region, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID. And after that, what you have to do, you have to look for media and purchases, and you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on view account here. In clicking on view account, you have to wait for some time so that this kind of interface will be available here. So here you have to simply click on country or region. So after that, you have to wait for some seconds, and this kind of interface will be available. So you have to simply click on that. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll down until you find the country, United States. So you have to simply click on that. After that, as you click on that, you will be asked to provide terms and condition. After that, you have to simply click on agree, and after that, you have to provide your payment method. And in payment method, you can simply select any of the payment method, and moreover, you can also select none. And here, what you have to do, you have to simply provide all the details here, street, zip code, and all the details. And after that, you have to simply click on next. And after verification, your country or region will be changed to United States. So in this way, you can simply change your country or region to United States or any country you want. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.